All right. So I had a hyper flash issue after putting LEDs in for my turn signal bulbs, and I have to put that LED flash relay in there. So I've seen a few videos, and this is what I came up with to get to that relay box. Just take this panel off, and I've already done it. But in there, this box is sitting in this area. This is the flash relay, so it's normally sits up in here. There's a few tabs holding on, so I just took my hand and just jammed it in there, and it slipped off of that white plastic thing right there. So now it's no longer connected to that. Quick fix. You pop this cover off. There you go. Now, originally I went with the cheap LED flasher, the like $3 one off of Amazon, and I had this experience where even when I didn't have the turn signals on, the turn signals weren't engaged, I was experiencing the ticking. And once I put the Novita LED flasher, the EP27 flasher relay in there, that problem went away. But that's it. Quick, easy way. Just pull the box out right through that piece. Okay, done. Not even 5 minutes.